Welcome to Monday, November 30th pre-market video. We're looking at the Dow to start again. Just a regular pullback that started on Friday. Obviously, that day being a shorter day, was very active just in the open, and then just rallied back up. So there was no buyer. If we look at the 5-minute chart, that's what it looks like. And if we look at the QQQ, similar type of action, except that it gapped and just rallied, and then it stayed like that just for the day. So that was the spirit of Friday. Same thing with the SPY. So these type of days when it's a smaller day, just after a day of holiday that we had, like on Thursday on the 26th for Thanksgiving, that's what you get normally. It's not regular patterns or action. There is money to be made, but you need to be there real time and look at, like this gap was definitely a buyable gap with the QQQ, and some guys that trade intraday have been able to have a good morning there Friday, so that was not a problem. Now let's look at a few of our stock. I was just showing you Apple just because it did gap up, tried to rally and came back. And then RIMM as well. I just want to show you some of these past leaders. They're definitely no longer. The RIMM is definitely not a leader anymore, and it's been inching down just for the last few months actually. So let's go look at the gold deals. Bryn, this one has been flying for the last few weeks, and just on Friday, obviously nobody's there. It's was not a slow day. If you look at it, 1.4 million on a day where the market is open 3 hours less than normal, is still very active day there for them. Budget, same thing. Volume happened in the morning, just stayed consolidating. Same thing as the past few days. So we'll look for other new action on that one, but it looks like it wants to consolidate in that range. So we'll look at it and we'll see what will happen tomorrow. AWSL just staying in that range, very low volume, so there's not much to say there, but we're still up from our 310, and we'll see what happens if we wait a bit more. If we're patient with that one, we'll see. This one, I know it's being promoted. I was looking at it tonight. We'll see. Tomorrow might be a big day, so you want to look at it. The pattern is nice. I like it rounding like this, just ready to pierce this last resistance, which will be 3 cents. If it does that on very big volume, it could be a very good trade, so watch it. Okay, now another one where I see the move being a little bit extended from the last few days. We'll see what happens. If it will keep, if it can clear this, it could be a good potential play on big volume, but already we had a few big days of volume, so we'll see what will happen with that one. Now I will finish with this one here. Actually no, I'll go with KNDR as well. This one looks like it wants to round as well. This is a bad tick, by the way, if you don't know this stock. Right there was a bad tick, just as they did a reverse 4-to-1 I think, or 5-to-1. So now it's just consolidating just under the 50-day moving average. I'm watching it just to find the right entry on this one. Now KNDR, let's look at this. Obviously Friday was definitely not a good day for the stock. People just sold and took whatever loss or profit depending on where they came from on a very slow day for KNDR. There's nothing to say right now other than we're trading this position right now on and off. We had a good bounce from 10 cents going as much as almost 19 cents, but really the volume was very good volume, around 17-18 cents. So anybody that averaged down was able to get out of there and make some money. Now it's pulling back. We'll see what we do if we reaccumulate here, what we're doing. But that's it's basically going into trading range. I would have liked to see it go back to 30 cents on this move, but these few tails when it cracked here, it just was not a good thing. Now you could say these are just before Thanksgiving and then the day after Thanksgiving, but there was not much support, so we'll see what happens in the next few days with this one. I'm just watching it as well. I still have a small position on it, and if we can see another reload, let's say reversal pattern again, I will reload it, because it gets, you know, from time to time there's good liquidity on it, and we can make 40, 50, 70%, you know, easily. And at some point maybe we will get the big move on that one, you know, where it can go revisit the previous high. And this was the best move we had on that one, almost 300 times. So we still have good profit accumulated in this trade. So that's it for today. I will see tomorrow if the Dubai effect and everything else will keep affecting the market. And on this, we'll see you Tuesday. Thanks a lot, and have a good trading day Monday. Thanks.